Match was very exciting. The starting was a little bit slow with Jaiswal and Rohit Sharma, but at the ending we saw Rohit's 75 runs and Jaiswal's 100, and Virat Kohli did a very nice finishing with that nice 50, and he made the match very exciting and he played in a very nice level. So that's what I wanted to say.
What about wonderful experience?
It was a very good experience. The crowd was also very enthusiastic. The show was very good. I came with my friends, so it was very fun. That's what I have to say.
As he said, today's match was very interesting. It was a very nice experience for me. He has gone thrice and this is my second time. I was expecting for Rohit's century and I tried my best to be on the screen, but somehow it didn't work out. I was very disappointed when Rohit Sharma got out at 75, but it was a very nice match. I got good tickets. And every ball Virat Kohli played, or when he comes, he walks, the stadium was shaking. It was so good experience for me. Yeah, it was a very nice thing. Tomorrow is my birthday, and today it is my pre-birthday celebration. I brought my friend also with me, so it was a very nice experience. Especially seeing Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli playing well. Every player hit a half century, so it was very nice. And tomorrow is my birthday, so it is like a very nice gift for me.
Okay, sir. What's your experience here?
The match was great. The match was great. I love the stadium, the way they organized it, and the way Jaiswal played was amazing. Experience was okay. The experience of the match was really good. India played really good, and the stadium is really good. They organized the match very well. And I live in Canada. I don't live in India. My parents live here in Visakhapatnam. When I planned my vacation exactly to come and watch this match. So I left India a long time back, but I love Visakhapatnam and I love the stadium and I love the game. And I love the way Jaiswal played and I love the way Virat Kohli played. It's a great match and it's great fun to watch with this big crowd. It's my first match that a 50-50 match that I've seen here. Before this, when I came to India, it was India-England match. I saw a test match here, and this is the second match I'm watching at this stadium in Vizag. It's amazing experience.
Are you coming from OE Canada to the match in Gold?
To see my parents. So I planned my vacation to come at the same time when the match is going on. So everything worked out very well. So
what's your experience in India won the match here?
Experience is good. I've always been a cricket fan from my childhood. Sachin, and now Virat Kohli, Dhoni, amazing, right? Like it's an experience of lifetime. I would come to India, but I don't know if I would get a chance to watch the match. So this remains memorable to me. Watching the Virat's batting, watching Jaiswal's batting, it's a memorable thing. It will remain in my heart forever. So thank you.
Can I start? I really enjoyed the 2 days match. I never expected the stadium was too extraordinary, and Jaiswal, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, they played very brilliant. I never expected all three people stand up and they played very well. All scored 50 plus scores, and the bowling was extraordinary good. And the stadium ambience, fan support, fans love, entertainment, cheer crowd and everything was too fantastic. And honestly, the food is also very good. I ate chicken biryani and some french fries also. The food is very nice, but I love Virat Kohli batting. I am a huge fan of his. He played really very well. He scored around 60 plus runs and he played very nice. And all our top 3 batsmen played very good. Bowlers contributed well. But I feel sad for South Africa. They would have played too much better, but they lost at the end, but I felt sad for them. Any question?
Yeah, tell me. What's your experience through the match?
It was a lot fun. I really liked the match. I was watching the whole series and this was wonderful. Yeah.
So who is your favorite and how much
My favorite is of course Virat Kohli. I am a very big fan of him and I support RCB also. So yeah, Virat Kohli.
So what about your experience? What is your opinion on it?
I was hoping a Virat Kohli century, like another century of him, but okay, the score was less, so makes sense. But yeah, Yashi Jaiswal, he was wonderful.
Where are you from?
I am from Vizag. Yeah, thanks.
I've come from Hyderabad. So I've come from Hyderabad to see this match. So I'm very happy that Kohli scored a half century. And we saw Jaiswal century and Decock century and Rohit Sharma's half century. So I felt very happy for this. So it's a complete Paisa Vasool moment for me. Yeah.
చెప్పు ఎలా ఉంది మ్యాచ్ ఎలా ఉంది ఇంగ్లీష్